Our first contestant is a company called Hubcase, demonstrating support chain. The presenter is the CEO and co-founder. Please help me in welcoming Ray Zhu.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ray Zhu, co-founder and CEO at Hubcase. I'm here to talk about support chain. You guys must be scratching your heads like, what the heck is that? So to explain that, I'm going to show you a picture, which is supposed to be better than 1,000 words. So I'm using Yahoo and Dell as examples, and they're not yet my customers. I hope they will be soon. So a Yahoo employee locked himself out of a laptop. He could not start the computer, and goes to a help desk to solve the problem. IT guy decided that they have to go to Dell to get the laptop unlocked. So he picks the phone and creates a ticket in the Dell CRM system and records the conversation using the sticker note. So think about it. It's a simple issue. And you got 3 systems to track it. One is the left side, Yahoo internal help desk ticket. And right hand, you have the CRM ticket from Dell. And you have a human integration system manual around the monitor. So Yahoo faces a lot more users and many, many more vendors. And a great portion of the help desk cases are escalated to vendors. And sadly, they're very, very costly. For every case that goes to the vendor, costs $466, and compared to the first call resolution, which is 20 times more. Why is that? So you have a nice CRM system, and they have a nice help desk, and they have a nice service desk. The problem is they don't talk to each other. So my 8-year-old son and myself went to the garage, and we came up with this solution. They must be able to interact, and we must provide a framework for them to interact. As the system evolved, this is what we have today. I call it the postal office for support cases, where partners can interact, partner systems can interact with each other. So back to the Yahoo example. This is the Yahoo help desk ticket, and it's not too different than your usual help desk, except for 2 things. You got escalation in and escalation out, where you can hook up to your partners. In this case, obviously, it goes to Dell. And with the click of 1 button, it goes to Dell. Assuming they're using Salesforce support system, you see a regular Salesforce case there. And obviously, you can see it came from Yahoo system automatically without a human being answering the phone. So when you automate, everybody benefit. As you see, Dell benefit, Yahoo saves money and time, customers are happy. And just want to remind you folks, the solution, support chain, not only applies to IT help desk, but also to supply chain, service chain, as well as multi-vendor escalation. To conclude it, if you look at UPS, FedEx, and Postal Office, they deliver products, facilitate your supply chain. And what we do, we deliver support cases and implement support chain. We're always on, always in the cloud. Bottom line, customers are happy, you save money. So I'm going to use my remaining seconds to try to do a live demo. Hope my sessions are still alive.
He's a brave man.
So you have the Yahoo help desk ticket, as we mentioned earlier here. So if they want to escalate, and they to Dell, and you just in the drop down, and you pick Dell support and update. In the back end, it transmits in real time, goes to Dell. If the system is still alive, as I mentioned, you see a ticket there, 10:36, and real time 11:24 a.m. arrived in the Dell Salesforce system. As you can see, this is as simple as it works, the system works, how efficient it is. So with that, I'm going to conclude my introduction of baby support chain.
I love it.
Yeah.
All right, Ray, come on up here.
If you want to see a long-form birth certificate, contact me.
All right, good job. Hey, you know, Mr. Melodious hater of tech support here in the middle. So the idea that you don't have to make these calls, these help desks, or you can literally push these cases from one vendor to another at the click of a button and get that vendor working. What do you think of that idea?
I think it's brilliant, and I think you've done what a startup should do. You find something in the world that needs fixing, and you fixed it. So thank you for doing that. I think you'll probably wind up with a lot more than $10,000 prize. You'll probably get a lot of customers from these guys. Well done, well presented, much humor. Thank you.
Great. Todd, what do you think?
I think you might have scared the crap out of some of the support executives in the room because this is a weapon of mass destruction now. This is the ability to open escalation cases much more easily than we could in the past. And to David's point about the elasticity of cost or price, you know, we may see a lot more support cases, which will keep these guys employed. That's good.
Yeah, thank you. John?
Well, you know, we have a lot of data on multi-vendor support, and we know how expensive it is. We know that when you need to talk to a partner, 80% of the time you're picking up a phone and calling them.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very elegant solution to a very complex problem. My favorite thing you said is human integration system. I'm going to steal that.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, what do you think of the Hubcase support chain? How cool is it?
Yeah, a manual escalation, sorry.
Go ahead.
Costs $466, and my system costs $1 a case. If you like $1, vote 1.
Okay, Ray, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck.